Hi there, students. To get hold of. Okay, so to get hold of something, literally to hold on to something with your hands. So the jar fell onto the floor before I could get hold of it. Notice, get hold of it in this case, take hold of. Take hold of something, to actually get your hands on it, to catch hold of something. I tried to catch hold of the child, but he escaped and ran away. The policeman tried to hold on to get hold of the criminal with his hands, but the suspect ran away. Okay, so to get hold of, to actually physically hold something. Take hold of my hand. Take hold of my hand, you'll be safe. Then we have to make contact with somebody. Good morning. I'm trying to get hold of James Scott. Do you know which office he's in? Or I'm trying to get hold of him on the phone. I spent all weekend trying to get hold of my sister. Okay, so to get hold of, but this time only get. You can't use the catch hold of, take hold of. To get hold of somebody. Also, in this way, to get hold of something, to obtain something. So you go into a shop and you say, I'm trying to get hold of a copy of this book. It's very difficult to get hold of. Okay, so actually to obtain something. Okay, so to get hold of a thing, to obtain it. Where did you get hold of that lovely table? I guess to gain control, to gain power over, to get hold of a politician. I think I might probably use to get a hold over somebody. Okay, and then we have to get hold of yourself. So I was really emotional. I was really upset, and it took me a few minutes to get hold of myself again. I gave her the bad news, and she was silent for a few minutes, and then she got hold of herself and continued what she was doing. So get hold of yourself. It's like get a grip on yourself. To get a hold on a situation. Yeah, control it. It can be very difficult to get a hold on a difficult situation. So get hold of, to grasp, to hold on to something so that it doesn't get away. Grab hold of, take hold of something. Okay, and then to obtain, to get hold of the ingredients for the recipe I'm going to make. I tried to get hold of the manager, but he just wasn't available. Could you get hold of the other end, and we'll carry this together? Could you get hold of the boss, because I need to talk to him? Come on, get hold of yourself. Don't fall to pieces. Continue doing what you're doing without letting the outside things or the stresses and strains get to you. Where did you get hold of this beautiful jacket? So to get hold of. Formality, get hold of. I'm going to give it a 4 in formality. Use in a semi-formal, in an informal situation. I think a semi-formal conversation, yes, but certainly no more. And origin. Well, get hold. It's got the idea of holding on to something. So I guess that's enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To get hold of